Samsung remained the global smartphone leader in 2023 and its flagship devices performed better than its predecessors. Let's take a look at its winners and losers of 2023. Winner, Galaxy A54. Samsung's second most popular phone of the year is a clear winner. Just look at the interest tab in the A54's specs page. Not really surprising either, the Galaxy A54 was a great upgrade and a global bestseller, bringing the series back on track. Winner, Galaxy S23 FE. People love the FE models and 2023 saw the return of the series. The Galaxy S23 FE arrived just in time for the holiday season and will be many frugal people's first choice. Add the global availability and the S23 FE is a clear win. Winner, Galaxy Z Flip 5. On the other side of the Z series, the Galaxy Z Flip 5 was a winner for Samsung. The Flip Foldable added a functional cover screen that made all the difference. And the Z Flip 5 coped better with its rivals than the Fold. Winner, Galaxy Tablets. Samsung released 5 amazing tablets this year. All 5 support the S Pen and have fast processors and high refresh rate, high-resolution displays. Winner, Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. Samsung's biggest winner of the year is also its usual one, the Galaxy S23 Ultra. It remains Samsung's best phone of the year. It has the S Pen, it zooms far beyond the optical reach of any of its rivals, and it's as cool looking as it is feature-packed. Losers, Galaxy S23 and S23 Plus. The Samsung Galaxy S23 and S23 Plus are an easy choice for anyone looking for a well-made, feature-rich, and easy-to-love smartphone. They adopted the superb Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset, which brought a worthwhile improvement to battery life. But the two vanilla S23 phones are way too similar to their predecessors and that doesn't spark fans' hearts in any way. Loser, Galaxy Z Fold 5. The Galaxy Z Fold 5 brought the coveted flat folding hinge and a faster processor. Outside of those two upgrades, the 5 is the same phone as the Z Fold 4. It failed to be the phone to buy. Losers, Galaxy Watch 6 series. The Galaxy Watch 6 Classic brought back the rotating bezel and made the display slightly bigger by reducing the bezels. But otherwise, the Watch 6 Classic looks and feels like the Watch 4 Classic from 2 years ago, which was disappointing.